So you have a pair of the JLab JBuds mini earbuds, and you have an issue where one side is working and the other side is not, or one side volume is lower than the other, or so on. I'm going to show you how to get both of them working together. So the first thing is I was currently paired to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Let me go into settings here, connections. So what I want to do is only one of the earbuds is working, but what I want to do is connect it back to this phone here. Okay, so first thing, what we're going to do is we're going to reset these earbuds. Okay, so I'm going to connect back to this device here. So I need to go to Bluetooth here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on that settings, and I'm going to unpair it here, basically delete it off my pairing list. Okay, if you're on an iPhone, it would be forget this device to delete it. Okay, so anyway, now it's not paired to this phone. And now what we're going to do is factory reset these. So what we want to do is have the buds in the case, have the lid open. What we want to do is tap 7 times on one earbud and then 7 times on the other earbud. As soon as you tap 7 times, you should see the blue light blink 4 times rapidly. Okay, so we're going to do this side first. Okay, ready? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blue, blue, blue. And then this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blue, blue, blue. There we go. And now go ahead and pull these out, and these should automatically be in the pairing mode. Okay, so one of these should be blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. Okay, so give it a second. Okay, so one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So these are in pairing mode. Now, if you have both of them blinking blue, white, blue, white, that's not what you want. If both of them are blinking blue, white, put it back in the case and go ahead and do a factory reset until you pull it out and only one side is blinking blue, white, blue, white. Okay, anyway, now it's blinking blue, white, blue, white. Let me go back to this phone here, and I'm going to go into settings, connections, Bluetooth, and that little spinny thing is searching for devices in pairing mode. Okay, under available devices, these are still in the pairing mode. One of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white. So just find the JBuds Mini is right there. Let's tap on that. I'm going to get a pairing request here. Okay, now I'm connected. Now I got to check to see if both of them are working correctly. Okay, if not, then I would try to do a reset again. Pop it back in there, unpair it from this phone, and tap 7 times on each one and try it again. Okay, anyway, hope that helped you guys out.